Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English for Every Day. I'm Leo.
And I'm Zara. And today we have a very simple, very clear, and very useful topic talking about your day.
This lesson is perfect for a one beginners who want long, slow, easy conversation practice. So let's begin our big, relaxed dialogue.
I woke up early today, but honestly, I still felt a little tired and slow.
Oh, really? I woke up early too, but I felt okay because I slept well last night. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 in the morning. Not too early, but not late. Just normal.
7 is a good time. I woke up at 6 because I wanted to cook breakfast slow and calm.
That sounds good. What did you have for breakfast today?
I had eggs and toast, very simple, and a big cup of tea. I like warm tea in the morning. What about you?
I had oatmeal with fruit. I like warm food in the morning too. It helps me feel awake and ready.
Yes, warm food in the morning feels good. After breakfast, what did you do next?
After breakfast, I took a short walk outside. Just 10 minutes, but it helped me wake up more and feel fresh.
A walk in the morning sounds peaceful. I didn't walk today. Instead, I checked my phone for a little bit.
Checking the phone is okay too? Did you read many messages?
Just a few messages, and I watched a small video. Nothing too important, but it was relaxing.
I understand. After your phone time, what did you do?
I cleaned my room a little. I made my bed, folded some clothes, and opened the window for fresh air.
Opening the window is the best feeling. Fresh air in the morning is so nice.
Absolutely. After cleaning, I made a cup of coffee and sat at my desk to start my day.
Did you work?
Not really, I planned my day. I wrote a small list. Things like study English, go to the store, cook lunch, finish a small project.
Writing a list is very helpful. It makes everything clear and simple.
Yes, exactly. What about you? What did you do after your walk?
After my walk, I read a book. A very easy book for beginners. Simple sentences, short story, but interesting.
Reading in the morning sounds relaxing. Did you enjoy the book?
Yes, very much. I like books that are easy but fun. They help me practice English slowly.
Nice. Did you read for a long time?
Maybe 20 or 25 minutes. Then I felt a little hungry again, so I had a small snack.
A snack? What did you eat this time?
Just a banana, something light and easy.
Bananas are great. After your snack, what did you do?
I opened my laptop and checked my emails. I didn't have many emails today.
Sometimes that is good. Less stress, less noise, more peace.
Yes, it felt peaceful. After emails, I practiced English speaking for a bit.
How did you practice speaking?
I talked to myself using simple sentences. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I read a book. Things like that. That is a really good method. Repeating simple sentences helps improve fluency fast.
I agree. What did you do after your planning?
I went to the store. I needed bread, milk, vegetables, and some fruit.
Was the store busy or quiet?
It was quiet. Not too many people. I like when the store is calm.
Me too. It feels easier to think and choose.
Exactly. After the store, I came home and started cooking lunch.
Nice. What did you cook today?
I cooked pasta with tomatoes, garlic, salt, and olive oil. Very simple but tasty.
That sounds delicious. How long did it take?
Maybe 15 minutes. Very fast and easy.
After lunch, did you take a rest?
Yes, I rested for a bit. I sat on the sofa, closed my eyes, and listened to soft music.
Soft music is the best for relaxing. What kind of music did you listen to?
Calm, slow, peaceful music. It helped me relax my mind.
That's great. After music, what did you do next?
I worked on my small project. It was not difficult, but it took some time.
Did you enjoy working on it?
Yes, I enjoyed it. It felt slow but comfortable.
Good slow is the best slow.
Exactly. What about your afternoon? What did you do?
In the afternoon, I cleaned my kitchen a little. I washed the dishes and wiped the table.
Cleaning sometimes feels boring, but after cleaning, the space feels clean and nice.
Yes, exactly. When everything is clean, I feel calm.
Me too. After cleaning, did you go outside again?
Yes, I took another short walk. Only 5 minutes, but I wanted fresh air again.
Fresh air always helps. Did you see many people outside?
Not many, just a few people walking slowly.
Quiet walks feel good for the mind.
Yes, very good. After my second walk, I watched a short English video.
Nice. What did you learn?
I learned the word busy. I knew it before, but now I understand it deeper.
That is great. Learning simple words better is very important.
Yes. After the video, I practiced sentences with busy,
Like what sentences?
like, I am busy today. The street is busy. My friend is busy right now. Simple but helpful.
Perfect practice. And what are your plans for the evening?
In the evening, I want to relax again. Maybe watch an easy video or read a little.
Good idea. I want to drink tea and think about my day.
Tea in the evening feels warm and soft.
Yes, not too strong. Light tea is perfect before bed.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 11.
Same for me. Before sleeping, I like to think about my day.
Me too. I think, what was good, what was simple, what I can do better tomorrow.
That is a great habit. It helps the mind grow slowly and gently.
Talking about your day in English also helps with fluency.
Yes, simple English every day makes you stronger in the language.
And the more you speak, the easier everything becomes.